NSP Technologies Private Limited. See, this is a DevX, means like Elon Musk, how he started SpaceX. Same, I am also R&D started on Space Research Organization and also IoT platform. I have strong knowledge on IoT, Internet of Things, each and every domain, how to build data centers, cloud data centers, and e-commerce, hospital management, school management, and universities development. So, see, this is the Eagles. See, first starting onwards. Welcome to Dev Eagles. So, Eagles Heat Shield Azer technology, advanced materials, utilized ablative heat shield made from advanced ceramic or carbon composites that can withstand extreme temperature during re-entry. And also active cooling system is very important for this. Integrated active cooling systems that can manage heat through liquid cooling channels, allowing for more effective thermal protection. This is the first phase. Next, Eagle's navigation and guidance system, advanced systems. See, this is completely autonomous navigation. So it is a observability, like implement AI driven autonomous systems that can adopt real time conditions during descent. Next, precision landing technology, utilize GPS and advanced sensor, LiDAR, radar to enhance. This is comes under Eagle navigation and guidance system. Next, Eagle protect systems. So, reusable engines. So, some of the rockets sending to space, again those engines reusability. Develop engines designed for multiple flights, focusing on durability and easy of refurbishment and electric hydric propulsion. Explore electric or hybrid propulsion systems that can provide more effective thrust and reduced fuel dependency. So like that can cost optimize. With less cost you can build reusable engines. Next, Eagle structural integrity and design. Lightweight materials. Use lightweight alloys or composite to reduce mass without sacrificing structural integrity. Modular design. Implement modular design principles to allows for easier upgrades and repairs. Next phase. Eagle's onboard systems and automation. Autonomous systems monitoring. Develop onboard systems that can continuously monitor the spacecraft health and automatically initiate repair protocols if issues are detected. Create safety protocols. Ensure redundant life support systems and automated safety protocols. Next phase. Eagle's communication systems, robust communication. So this is completely signal catching. Enhanced communication systems with high frequency satellite links to maintain contact with ground control during descent and real-time data transition. So real-time data transmission. So how will implement system that allows for real-time telemetry data transmission to monitor spacecraft conditions. Next, advanced simulations. Use high friendly simulations to test the spacecraft design and systems under various scenarios. See here, use high fidelity simulations to test the spacecraft design and system under various scenarios. Regular testing. Product regular testing of all systems, including both ground tests and suborbital flights, to identify and rectify potential issues. Last phase. Eagle sustainability and reusability. Recycling and refurbishing. Develop process for recycling materials and refurbishing parts to minimize waste and cost. Sustainable fuel source research and implement sustainable fuel options for propulsion system to reduce environmental impact. So this is completely I'm focusing on R&D. Within 5 to 7 years I will achieve all these things. So this is a space research. Coming to DevOps. DevOps is a multi-cloud data center like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, like other clouds integration platform. So this is very useful for companies and more cost optimized options providing this DevOps platform. is the goal of this DevOps. So lot of companies save money and getting more high availability features and more and more better options. So instead of taking particular cloud, so this is the very best option to integrate all clouds. So Eagle saving, this is another service. Next, coming to services. Manufacturing and supply chain, this is the main my company goal. So like Audi, Tesla, BMW, I need to collaborate with all clients, and each and every company need to start manufacturing industries my local areas. If not, I will produce my own advanced technology vehicles that will save lot of things. And that will impact other companies. So I'm not tolerate any company. So I have to collaborate with other companies. Other companies also growing with my thoughts. For that we need to start manufacturing companies in my Amaravati area. And India as well. Next, cloud monitoring visualization, tool development, and also developing Google Earth like observability. I need to monitor each pin to pin from satellites down to Earth. What's going on? So this is very important for me. Next, current time travel and future time travel using VR, virtual reality. So these projects will generate more money. And I have more capability with metals. So signal breakings by using metals and improving signals. Next, so I'm thinking these are my clients: Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, Skoda, Toyota, Tata Motors, Kia, Hyundai, Nissan, Ferrari, Honda, Ashok Leyland, Benz, Audi, Bugatti, Ford, Chevrolet, Volvo, Lamborghini, MG, and BMW, TVS, and also these are the banks: Axis Banks, IDFC, SBI, SGFC, ICICI, HSBC. I need to take over Oyo hotels for my company space. I will give more profits than Oyo hotels. Amex, this is also bank, Bandhan Bank, Reliance Group, and also my own bank, AGK Bank, Amazon, Oracle, Digital Ocean, Alibaba, Azure, Google, IBM. These are the clouds. automobile industry and electronic devices, Samsung, Toshiba, Dell, HP, Lenovo. These are electronic devices manufactured. Investments. They need to provide investments for me because I'm going to improve productivity. Next, see, dump yards. In India, a lot of dump yards also there. So this will generate money, reusable resources. Next, reducing nuclear systems entire world, and also jets. I will use different way. I need to collaborate with all countries. Those jets speed travel, for speed travel and tourism purpose. I will use those because no need to do any cars and all. Not required at all. And next, utilize solar systems, harvesting the power of the sun. By using solar system, you can generate power and all. Solar energy. Okay. Next, improve vaccine quality because coronavirus, lot of numbers has died, right? So I need to do R&D on vaccines and virus activities. Next product, understanding virus activities. Tourism, developing tourism like Dubai in my local areas, also entire India. Next, pioneering the future space exploration. Already discussed DevX. So it will take time, but I need to do. This is very important for me because somebody doing a lot of activities on universe, going to here from Earth to Mars or Moon. They are doing R&D. If anyone missing, definitely I will bring back. Because I have plans. Next, the advanced robotics ecosystem, revolutionizing automation and integration for robots in the sense human friendly robots only, because where those robots are useful I know very well. So next, developing godness. So everyone need to understand godness and need to travel for everywhere, and how to save the nature. So everyone need to understand. So for that, everyone need to roaming around the world. Not only my places to other countries, other places to my local areas. For that, I will develop my own advanced markets, and for that I will use jets. Research on sea and space, advanced digital marketing. Currently using a lot of tools for digital marketing. So I will add more sense to overcome existing digital marketing technologies. Next, building advanced ecosystem for travel and tourism. And also I will focus, why I'm focusing space research means, so in the earth lot of chemicals and unwanted things also there, so I need to send here to other planets. We will not move, humans will not move to other planets, only those things sending to other planets, because everyone need to see the earth. So this is my profile. I am a CEO of Narsapur Technologies. Parent company is One Media Technology OPC Private Limited. So I have strong knowledge on product design, development, test, delivery, visualization, and budget and release and gain the profits. So everyone knows only how to develop the product. So different teams involved. So everything bottom to top, I did R&D all. So I know very well somebody well known guys also there, digital processing system for telecommunication and signal catching and lot of activities, because you need to track the space vehicles, right? And building cloud and data centers for, I have strong knowledge. If anybody want to invest, I will build own cloud data centers like other, will get more profits than others. So I know one of the well-known member, joint DevOps founder, Sivakumar Reddy. And also strong knowledge on Java technologies like Upendra Reddy, some like strong knowledge members also there. I need to collaborate those guys for developing my future products. IoT means banking, finance, income tax, real estate, e-commerce, healthcare, school management, and tourism. And developing industries, lot of activities I know very well. So So I need to join one more IT ministers also there, KTR Lokesh, like this. So I need to collaborate with those guys and develop these products. So this is my address, house number 6-3-18, West Godavari, Andhra Pradesh 534275. Company email info@parasupporttechnologies.com. My contact number 9346268700. So, Green City of India or United States of India, like I will develop my country and also my state. Andhra Pradesh capital is Amravati and also recognized Tirupati. And other states, Karnataka headquarters Bangalore, Chennai, Tamil Nadu headquarters Chennai, Maharashtra is a part of Pune, and Kerala, Telangana headquarters Hyderabad, Maharashtra is Mumbai. So Pondicherry, like other north states also there. I will develop all areas as well. See, somebody doing these activities.
Our understanding of our solar system's planets has evolved throughout time. New technologies are being developed by scientists all the time in order to aid in the never-ending exploration of our solar system. They keep on revealing images upon images of our solar system with new discoveries. However, let's go back in time and look at the first ever images of our solar system's planets. You'll be taken aback by the solar system's rapid evolution. Join us as we explore the real images of every planet in our solar system. The Sun's innermost planet, Mercury. On March 29, 2011, NASA released the first ever image of Mercury taken from orbit by a spacecraft. That would be the first time Mercury has been photographed from space, yet it's neither surprising nor compelling. In comparison to photographs taken by spacecraft flying past Mercury and orbiting other planets in our solar system, this one isn't very appealing. That NASA engineers and scientists have been able to get a ship into Mercury orbit is a testimonial to the difficulty of space engineering. Large crater Debussy and smaller crater Matabei can be seen in the picture. NASA has named craters on Mercury after artists who have died and whose work has been recognized as historically significant for over 50 years. Iwasa Matabei, a Japanese artist, was the inspiration for Matabei, while Claude Debussy, a French composer who died in 1918, was the inspiration for Debussy. Venus. In addition to the sweltering heat and the crushing strain of the world next door, it's impossible to survive there. Even though Venus is a very close neighbour to Earth, its atmosphere is impenetrable to visible light, making it difficult to study. Between 1975 and 1982, the Soviet Union's Venera spacecraft took the only images of the surface of Venus. The Russian word for Venus, which the Veneras used to refer to their surroundings, comes from their method of scanning the surface back and forth. Views of a world that may have previously been like Earth before the catastrophic climate change were displayed, with yellow skies and shattered, barren landscapes that were at the same time exotic, alien, and familiar. X-ray fluorescence examination of an excavated soil sample was performed by the Soviet Venera 13 in 1982, and the first colour image of Venus's surface was sent by the Soviet Venera 13. Earth. NASA astronauts have shot more than 900,000 photos while in orbit around the Earth. Before Scott Kelly received the Nikon D4 and a famed blue marble full picture of Earth, there was this 76 years ago. Images of Earth photographed from space for the first time. While looking at the fuzzy grayscale Earth, smooth white cloud formations are seen floating above it, a swirl of monochrome set against the blackness of space. It takes a minute to identify what they are. October 24, 1946 was the date this snapshot was taken. It was a noteworthy occurrence at the time, even if subsequent images of the Earth would overshadow it. The earliest pictures of Earth were taken at the time when space and defense technology was rapidly improving, even though they were low resolution and dark. As part of its two-decade effort to develop a nuclear-powered rocket aimed at Mars, the United States sent astronauts to the Moon. During the Cold War, the United States developed and deployed powerful anti-aircraft missiles that could shoot down Soviet bombers. Electrified guitars, too, were motivated by a vision of the future that was lofty and expansive. This new era began with stunning photographs of our planet's surface. Mars, the red planet. After decades of speculation, the first close-up images of Mars were finally returned to Earth 57 years ago, marking a significant milestone in human space exploration. However, these were not quite what the rest of the world had expected. In the summer of 1965, a mysterious red dot appeared on the horizon and sparked a flurry of speculation. Almost 57 years to the day after New Horizons made its closest approach to Pluto, Mariner 4 became the first successful flyby mission to Mars this year, gaining historic ground where previous attempts had failed by getting the first photos of the planet on July 15th. The historic spacecraft managed to take 21 pictures as it sailed over at a distance of approximately 6,000 kilometers. It had a television camera, 6 scientific instruments, and a modest data recorder that saved the day. However, after the first thrill of witnessing this feat of scientific prowess, the images themselves were a letdown. People had become accustomed to seeing pictures of an older Earth-like planet with lakes, valleys, and mountains, but they saw a planet with moon-like craters instead. Jupiter. One of Jupiter's most striking characteristics is the infamous Great Red Spot. The setting depicts a global storm that has raged for centuries. As far back as 1665, there have been reports of the storm indicating that it has existed for more than 350 years. More than 40,000 kilometers in the early 20th century, the massive spot was enough to fit 3 Earths. To date, scientists remain unsure of the storm's origins. As far back as 1879, the first ever picture of Jupiter was captured. However, the first close-up images of Jupiter were taken by NASA's Pioneer 10 on December 4, 1973. Pioneer 10, which had launched the year before, was the first spacecraft to transit through the asteroid belt and approach Jupiter. For the first time, humans were able to explore the furthest regions of the solar system. Observations of the Great Red Spot on Jupiter show that dark patches are created by holes in the cloud cover rather than by changes in cloud color. Saturn. Saturn is the cool kid of our planetary system, a more temperate cousin to Jupiter's hulking gas giant and Venus's searing surface. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. Galileo discovered Saturn's rings in 1610, although they are not visible to the human eye from Earth. Italian-born French astronomer Giovanni Domenico Cassini separated the rings 65 years later, in 1675. NASA launched the Cassini mission in 1997 to reveal the ringed giant to the world for the first time. The rings of Saturn are the most extensive in our solar system, and NASA claims this is the finest detailed color image of any part of Saturn's rings ever taken. The planet's B ring's inner central portion is depicted in the natural colour image, which was created from two images. While flying 700,000 miles above Saturn's surface, the Cassini probe captured intricate multicoloured bands of spinning clouds in the planet's northern hemisphere near the end of August 2017. The Cassini sank into Saturn's surface in 2017 after a 13-year mission around its orbit. Unfortunately, Saturn's rings also will not be around forever. According to NASA, the rings could disappear in the next 100 to 300 million years. Uranus. With the discovery of Uranus, our solar system's seventh planet from the Sun in 1781, the known boundaries of our solar system were expanded. Uranus was the first planet discovered with the use of a telescope. Meanwhile, the intensity of Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn's brightness were enough for them to be seen with the naked eye. On January 24, 1986, the Voyager 2 spacecraft came within a few thousand miles of Uranus. The icy blue-green-hued cloud of Uranus was just 50,640 miles, that's 81,500 kilometers, away from the craft. To date, Voyager 2 is the only human craft to have landed on the planet. Scientific data from Voyager 2 during and after its closest visit to the planet significantly changed our understanding of this mysterious distant planet. A series of groundbreaking discoveries were made as a result of this cosmological convergence. According to Voyager 2 data, a Uranian day lasts only 17 hours and 14 minutes. Hydrogen and helium predominate in Uranus's atmosphere, comparable to that of other gas giants. Ices of water, ammonia and methane were found beneath the surface of this world too. Among the solar system's most intriguing seasonal variations is that of Uranus. In the wake of the Voyager 2 spacecraft's departure, we've come to know the planet as we've never known it before. Neptune. The first images of Neptune were taken by NASA's Voyager 2 mission when it passed by Neptune 30 years ago. Before then, the eighth planet in our solar system could only be seen as an obscured speck in the night sky. Voyager 2's final planetary flyby of Neptune and its moon Triton took place on August 25, 1989. Photos and data from Voyager 2 changed our view of the solar system forever. As the craft got closer to Neptune, the planet gradually grew from a smoky blue dot with each passing moment. It was discovered that Neptune's magnetic field is lopsided. The great dark spot on the planet, which is similar to Jupiter's great red spot, was identified by scientists. Neptune features some of the solar system's fastest and coldest winds. Until recently, Pluto was a member of our planet's clan. So let's take a look at its earliest pictures too. A NASA spacecraft sailed within 7,800 miles, that's 12,550 kilometers, of Pluto on July 14, 2015, capturing the first close-up images of the distant and elusive planet. The images revealed astonishing terrain on the cold dwarf planet, which even the most imaginative scientists and space enthusiasts were stunned by. Pluto's famous heart, a 600-mile wide, that's 1,000 kilometer, nitrogen ice glacier on its left lobe was seen for the first time. The New Horizons also discovered massive ice volcanoes, a bladed landscape of methane glaciers, and a massive water ice mountain range unlike anything else ever seen by planetary scientists. Who could have guessed that a lot was going on in such a place?
See everyone understand, right? So somebody doing unnecessary activities on other planets. So need to know what is going on each planet. No need to relocate here from there. Because if you have one more option, so somebody will try to kill Earth. So don't do that kind of activities. So everyone need to save the Earth. That is the best option for us, because if anyone So again, you need to plant and do lot of activities. So Elon Musk doing these kind of activities, not humans. He is completely using 10,000 robots for developing this kind of product. So that is completely unnecessary things. So if you want to do any activities like how to save the earth, sometimes some asteroids coming to the earth side, so how will save? So think. So I know who is saving for us from those asteroids. So that's why I'm saying don't do any other activities. So Elon Musk is a well-knowledge person, I know, but we will use different ways these starships and all. If not, I will use my starships. I will take my ISRO help and I will start soon, as soon as possible, my own research center. So, my mission is a mission impossible, a journey behind limits. So understand everyone. So this is about DevX. And also developing other clients' products as well, like service-based company like TCS, Google, Amazon, Microsoft. Like for that we will use mostly Java technologies and dependency. If there is any dependency, I will use Python as well. And also artificial intelligence. AI means alien intelligence. So take care, guys. So everyone have to avoid those things. Next, so like that, I will do research from my Jain University, Kakinada, from Satyam Naikar Trust. That is one of my family religion organization, and also one of the best research place, Antarvedi. And developing these nearest Antarvedic tourism as well. This is about complete DevX. Anybody want to contact, become a co-founders, need to join, just call or ping via this mail, company mail ID. Okay. I have strong knowledge on cloud and front end, back end, developing applications, and also strong knowledge on IoT, Internet of Things. So more than 30,000 members are ready. So I'm looking for investors, and also land also there. 1% they are providing more than 300 across for developing these projects. So I'm looking for investment from banks and car companies and electronic product companies. If anybody want to invest, other countries also need to invest. Just stay with me. You will feel visual effects here. That is about Andhra Pradesh, India. Thank you. And I will show one more product, car manufacturing website. See, like, will provide based on customer. I will design own models with multi brands and also advanced features more than Tesla, like, and life-saving activities and taking control from cameras, camera sensors and all. So they mostly I'm going to tie up with Toyota. It is a very vast company, and also Skoda, Audi, and local companies as well, Indian companies, how they are launching their products to India. Same, my company products I will export to other countries as well now onwards, with advanced facilities and more flexible features and life-saving activities. Unlimited repair warranties and incident support, and also other features also added will add. Okay, so like we will design this kind of models, Indian companies as well, and launch other countries. See. So lot of lands also there. I'm looking for bank investments and companies investments. See here also, try to contact info@transporttechnologies.com. This is my contact number. Thank you guys.